If you show up distracting me. I mean it, Dan, sure.
God, oh my nice video.
Yeah.
How'd you put videos on YouTube?
Just make an account and load them up.
I might do some RuneScape.
Yay, RuneScape. How fun. I can't wait to watch them. There's some big asses coming out soon then. It sounds a lot. Get it zoomed out, ready?
No.
Is that it? Oh, right, no use for that.
What's the stuff that comes back down though? Look at all the
ash, smoke.
What? Could that like set a tree on fire or something?
Daniel, they're doing it in the grounds of Bolsover Castle. If they were going to set trees on fire, I don't think they'd do it there.
Is it warm?
Well, they should think so, so it's blowing up.
Cool, someone's slapping. Where's on fire?
Dan, sure.
You like jump down and think somewhere. You're bloody stuff on.
Just because I want to... You distract me. I keep videoing nothing.
So I'll put them on YouTube now because I'm going gay.
I will.
You're not putting them on YouTube.
I have.
You haven't got anything on YouTube.
I have. I'll show you later.
You need a webcam anyway to put videos on.
You don't. You can just upload it. Wow. Ouch.
Well, when people do RuneScape videos, how are they meant to upload it?
Because they'll record it on there.
Can you do it on your phone?
Yeah. There.
Look at this.
I've got my own drink now.
Sorry.
Seeing as though I did buy it. Where are they going?
That was chickens play football.
What's that? They're not very bright, are they?
They're going to a gay bar.
Dan! Shut up on my video.
One minute talk like
You're naughty. Oh, they're really bright.
Got them done, is it?
You can.
I can't. Whoa. You missed them ones. There's some Bobby Dazzlers.
I'm zooming out.
Like that in the competition. So you can...
Secret loudest bang. Well, that
Oh,
one
they're
won.
going down there. What's it got? Ash.
Oh, it's weighing it down. Oh, it is. I can feel it raining.
What's this one set
Oh,
aside?
it's going to put fireworks out. I think it put fireworks out.
Now with the old throw will just come back down again. Where? How do you know when? Can you see the ash?
What do you mean, can you see it? I don't know. No, on our garden last year though, there were loads of little tubes that they fire out of all over the garden.
They don't have tubes for them.
They do, big massive jumbo things.
So there were loads of tubes around near there.
They'll be all over the castle, yeah, but there were a couple on the drive last year.
How they managed to go there then?
I think I have askjeeves.com. They weren't that funny, seriously. Just watch the pretties. We're a website, and you could change his clothes.
Oh, you missed them one.
That's cute.
You missed it.
Oh, I missed it. I'll get it next. They'll do some big ones. finale.
Yeah.
Yeah, they always have a finale though, don't they? They say biggest to last. I'm getting wet.
No.
Why does it have to rain? I'm chuffing fireworks.
Oh, sounds like Kylie talking.
That's you.
That's Lottie. Kylie, Lottie.
Just then.
It's not even right on YouTube, but yeah. What are you leaning on the back button?
Well, I am.
And peace, man. Then if you did that again. I'm running up to rate you what?
You're not. You're not leading me.
Oh, please don't show that one.
Don't stop it. You're not leaving me. You stay. They'll be finished in a minute.
I'm running.
No, Daniel, stay here. Dan.
Okay.